After a major hailstorm, you will want to file a claim. And of course, you really want to make sure that there aren't any damages on your roof. Now, you still want to file your claim even if the damage isn't noticeable. So when you file a claim, it typically takes anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. They are going to ask you very important questions. Questions like, when did the storm happen? What time did it happen? Who was there? What was the damage? Questions like that. At the end of the conversation, you will be given a claim number. And this claim number will be assigned to your claims adjuster. Now, the adjuster will be in charge of your case and will organize a time to come out and assess the roof. Once they have assessed your roof and the adjuster has found damage, then your claim is approved. Then you will reach a settlement of the cost of repairs. And you will receive a payout, of course, minus the deductible. Next thing you need to do, of course, is hire a contractor to come out and fix your roof. Sometimes the adjuster will also give you a recommendation, but you have the final say. Feel free to hire somebody that you trust, but of course, just make sure that they are a fully licensed contractor. Working with an unlicensed contractor can actually prevent you from receiving any payments. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to take a look at our video, What is Hail Damage? Just to get a little more information on this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can go to the description box below, or you can go to our website. Have a good week.